ah is the first part of Om, and Om is such a powerful chant. There's so much to say about that, but all the sounds within Om kind of carry all of our sound. And so it's this remarkable chant, you know, and there's all these overtones that happen. But try it just for a minute. You can even use the computer screen if you can, or a mirror, and just and really notice how nice it is to open the jaw, and then just slowly you round the sound. The last part, there's a lot of vibration that goes through the whole body, and it reverberates up. Yeah. The hum, the reason we start with is that it activates this connection that goes outside your head and down to the ground. It's a very powerful connection to the marrow in the bones, to your bones. This it's and then ma. The ma, it becomes back into the Om again. You can just go from ma, ma. It can keep going forever, you know. So it's a very sacred chant, and you can see how vitalizing this can be when the body, when you feel it, you know, against the wall. I'm just so, you know, thrilled about this series. Thank you so much, everybody.